Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. I am Fahimur Rashid and my partner is Akibul Islam Alfi. Our project is a travel, a tour management website. This is our database system lab project and we are extending this project in our software engineering lab as well. In terms of traveling, we see that a lot of people face some trouble with tour planning, managing expense, transportations and arranging accommodations. In this project, we try to ease his traveling by providing some facilities. These functionalities will be continued by my partner Akibul Islam Alfi.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I will continue from the functionalities part. First, we need to log in. As we see, after we log in to our website using email and password, we will be landed on our home page. As our website is based on tour and travels, user experience was one of our core focuses. We tried to make this website as responsive as it could be. If we scroll down to the bottom part, we can see some package based on the category uh, uh, which is based on the destination category. In this page, if we click this, in this page we can see we can search destination place using titles and destination description as well. For example, if we search with country, uh, we will find this result. If we select any place like Sri Lanka, we see the details about that place. Now if we click the button, we need to provide some to book our trip, we need to provide some information like departure, number of guests, email, additional email, phone number, trip date, like we want to trip to 15th December and it's optional. We will then click the button. Now if you click the confirmation and button, the confirmation alert message will be popped up. It means the tour has been confirmed. Now if we go to the profile section, a user can update his username, bio and profile picture, and also there will be a list of places where the user has traveled or booked. In the review section, a user can post his lovely experience with another user of this website, as well as he can see other users experience, also comment on their post. If any user wants, he can also update or delete his post. Now if we see some things, now we want to create a post, like we need to a title like hello, content will be hello world, image suppose like a normal image, then we can create a post. Now if we want, we can update or delete this post. Also there will be optionality for comment. Here we can see some user Mr. MD Akabul has commented on this picture. So we implemented these features in our database project. Next we will go to the section which will be extended in our software engineering lab project. We extended this project in our software engineering lab as well. It was a tough choice for us to decide whether we should extend this project or not. We did some research prior to this, and then finally we decided to add a new feature to our website, which is the air ticket reservation system. In this reservation system, user can easily reserve his domestic or international flight using this app. First, a user needs to select the origin and the destination place. Suppose we select Dhaka and Chittagong. Now we need to add the departure date. Suppose we want to departure at 20th December, and we need to select the class, then we search the flight. Here a list of flight that is available will be shown. We can reset our filters, such as, or using this we can also reset our filters, and we can also modify our search. Then we will book a flight Then we will provide some our essential information. Then we will add this. Then we will proceed to payment. When we will proceed to payment, a payment details will be came. We will give our card number and cardholder name, expiration date. Then we will make the payment. There will be some delay for processing payment, and our payment will be confirmed. Then we can print the ticket via PDF. Here is our ticket, and if we want, we can also see our bookings by my bookings, where will there will be option by cancel ticket, etc. And last but not the least, a user also can contact with the authority by using this option. He can complain any convenience with us by this. So that's all everyone. Thank you for your time. Assalamu alaikum.